Hello all. So, do you use templates in Business Center? And if not, then maybe you should watch it because you might not be using it because earlier you thought that there are certain limitations. And in the latest release of Business Central, Microsoft have enhanced the template area in Business Central. The change is around customers, vendor, item, and employee templates. So let's quickly have a look what's changed and how you can utilize those features which are available in the product now. So this is my Business Central environment. Now if you search for, let's say, customer templates, earlier in the earlier versions of Business Central, customer templates had certain limitations because it didn't provide you all the fields which are available. What Microsoft have done is added so many fields, or should say all the worldwide level field into the template as they are available on the customer table. So you can actually drag all the fields which you don't see here into the template. If you are someone who want to set, let's say, uh, email would not be an example, but let's say if you want to set the text area code, so you can now easily using the personalized option drag those fields into a template, and they all are available as they are available into the customer table. So that's one part of the change. Now there is another cool part of the change which is super important when you are implementing a new business central environment for your customers, or if you are a customer who have a hard time in setting up different templates. So what you can do now is you can create, and this may be on a demo company where you can do this. You can create a new customer, and let's say I choose create customer person because there is a template, and there I can define that okay, I want to set, let's say, all my salesperson's code will be BC in this case. My responsibilities, I don't use responsibility center I guess at this point, but then I want to set that all my customers will have city, just to take it, New York, state NY, and zip code 1009, and they all will have an home page as, let's say, my website, just to take a reference for the demo, right? Then I want to make sure that they all are served from my east location, and they have domestic customer posting group and domestic business posting group. That's the data that I have, and they all have the tax area as Atlanta, GA. I also want to give set some other fields, which is shipping advice should always be complete and reserve will be never, just to pick some fields. Now once you have defined a customer more or less template for all the customers that you'll be creating, you can actually go into the actions menu, and let me see where they placed it. Well, this is new. I kind of get confused sometimes, but there's an option now where you can now save this as a template, and I'm pretty sure it's somewhere where I'm missing it for sure. Okay, and I should have bookmarked it, but here is the option under actions function. There is an option to save this customer as a template. Now, if you have set all the fields that you want to be common for all the customer, you can actually save it as a template, and then you can provide a name that it is my demo customers, changing, updating card. Yes, okay, this is my demo customer, and all these values which I have set are already visible here, and then I can hit OK. Now when I try to now create a new customer, I'll have an option to pick the template that I have just saved. So if you have five different kind of customers that you use in your system, you can actually ask your users to define what kind of fields they want to set for those customers, and those will be by default set and saved as a template once they are ready with their piece. And that will then be an option to choose while they are creating a new customer, that which kind of customer they want. Is it limited only to the Microsoft field that you can use? As per the documentation, Microsoft says that partners can enhance it for the custom fields or for the ISV fields if required. So it's more easy and flexible to use templates rather than, with a limited set of options. So let me know how you think this feature will be helpful into the comment section, and I'll see you tomorrow with the next quick change in Business Central 19.